Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and I want to welcome you to the first video in the orientation session. I want to talk a little bit about something we call WoodsNet. And as you can see on the screen, I'm using just a screen capture here, but we have our phone list, we have the yellow pages, you can check your email, you can learn about Office 365, all kinds of things are in here that might be helpful. And the address to get to that is this one that we see here, the woodsnet.smwc.edu. Now, one of the things I want to show you, and I'm just going to bring over a live view of this. Okay, and I've brought the WoodsNet over here in a live view. And as you can see, I can scroll down and I see all the different things. And one of the things I want to show you is this Learn Office 365. So if I go into Learn Office 365, we can learn the basics, we can try templates, and these are videos, so they're pretty easy videos to pick up. They're not long, they're less than 5 minutes in length and different lessons. There's also a thing called Try It with Templates, which I found very helpful because there are pivot table tutorials, there are infographics, like when you're filling out a paper and you want to show some kind of data in a very professional way. You can check these out. So that's one of the things I wanted to talk a little bit about. But I also want to make sure you realize that you can use the basic learning the basics as well. So the learning the basics videos show you like 6 steps, 7 lessons, and so on. So I think these will be very, very helpful when you're prepared to have a few minutes to be able to do that. Another thing I want to show you is the actual on our website for the information technology department. So I'm on the website and I've gone to the information technology. You see I have the information technology, I have computing policies and technology discount. So one of the things I want you to know is under the technology discount, there are discounts for hardware. So all these different, we have different contracts with these different companies. And here's our Microsoft Office 365 if you need instructions. We have what's called On the Hub Store. And the reason I want to point this out is that once you graduate from the Woods, you may want to keep your Office 365, and it's a very reasonable price, something around $65 or so. Another product I want you to know about is the MSDNAA. MSDNAA is an alliance that we have with Microsoft, and it allows, as you can see, it's talking about leadership development courses. Basically, there are all kinds of software in there. There's Expressions, OneNote, Visio, Project, there's Windows operating system, and many more. And once you're added to the database for MSDNAA, you're able to download that software. So I want to make sure that you're aware of that. Now, the other thing I want to tell you is that you can actually get to the portal, get to your software, by going to what's called the Office Portal. So here's the Office Portal address, portal.office.com, no www in front of it. And here's the address of where we were just a minute ago with the information technology, especially if you're interested in any kind of those discounts. So I'm going to take us to the Office Portal for just a minute. Let me bring that up here. And here's my portal. And as you can see, it's already recognized me. It's got my little initials over here, so it already knows that who I am. I've been logged in here before, but it has all these different apps that we're able to use. It also has lots of other apps down here. It talks about OneDrive. There's some SharePoint things that are here. But essentially, maybe all you're really interested in is Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and maybe OneDrive. And once you start working with some of your professors, you maybe want to do a little investigating into Teams. Sway is a software that is like PowerPoint on steroids. They even have forms that you can use if you want to do a quick survey among your classmates, and then even Power BI, which is something that you'll be introduced to in your information technology class. So there's all kinds of things that you might be interested in exploring in this in this host of products. One last thing I want to make sure that you're aware of. Remember, information technology always has the latest information about how help desk tickets work, the phone, the password reset. It's not that what I show you isn't current, but these things do change. So they will always have the most recent information, which you can get to through WoodsNet as well. And they will also have computing policies and, of course, the technology discount. Well, thanks for listening. I hope this little first video helps you understand where you can find your software for your classes so that you will start out very successfully. Thanks for listening.